So what we have here, we decided to fill a whole.
Yeah, my game is lagging so hard.
Yeah, so we decided to fill up an entire map with explosives and
Well,
hide and seek. So
it's me.
You want to do it with hers, also known as
DP God.
VR. So throw the bat.
Wait! Shoot! Oh wait, no.
Oh, you missed.
Oh
no.
Here
we go.
It broke.
Well, half of it did. Oh, there it is.
It broke the sound barrier. It broke the sound barrier.
Yeah, I don't think we'll be able to hear that. We didn't even hear it. Oh my gosh, the sound went away for like 4 minutes. Anyways, hope you like the. Stop blowing up stuff.
There's more debris.
Hope y'all like the video.